the little ones.
I know. We'll see.
Those ones are... Did you see that one? Oh my God! Yeah! That's tubular!
Isn't it a band?
A purple. That like took up the whole sky!
What's it called? Forces in the Sky. Yep.
Oh my God!
Are you really?
Oh my God!
I could put my sunglasses on.
Oh man.
Yes, this one's gonna be big. Yeah, you see that? Woo! Diameter was like tubular!
Roger. He just really like, okay.
That was stellar, yo!
Grandpa. Oh, you know what I said? You know how Grandpa's middle name is Leroy? I'm gonna name one of my kids Leroy.
That one sucked.
I love the name.
Yeah! That one was a real man.
Pussy.
Oh, the big one!
Nice work.
Did you see that one? It was like a baby card.
That's fireworks.
That sport was fun.
You like fired him. Oh my God.
Oh, yeah!
Oh my gosh. That one was so pretty.
That one was scary.
Your faces.
That one was yours. Oh my word. That's so pretty.
See, that's my grandfather's name.
You see that one, DJ? Look at that one. That's gonna be big. What? Oh, it
Is she
sucks.
really going out with him?
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
He's getting up there.
Yeah.
Oh, you're singing.
Is she really going out with him?
Hey guys, Eric likes the little purple one because he's a faggot.
Start singing again.
Yeah, Michelle. Sing it for us. Let's go.
What?
Michelle's
In
singing.
the morning, in the night, my father.
Oh, the big one, Eric.
When you gotta live your life right.
Oh, like covered the whole sky.
Can you like see us in it or no?
When the fireworks go out.
Unfortunate ones.
The girls, they wanna have
I'm definitely the best. Oh dang! I just lost it back into my phone.
Hey, Renee, ask Peter if he can come here.
Oh, the
And I
backfire.
can be like,
What is this?
Michelle,
Dude,
he's not my type. He's kind of good looking. I mean,
yeah.
No way. I know, right?
Holy crap!
Did you get that on video?
You got that in a video? Somebody died!
Call Peter. Peter, we need somebody to get CPR over there.
Yeah! That was like Josh's fart. Josh Overmeyer.
Oh man, oh man, oh man,
The
oh man, oh man.
redneck that turns into red. Yeah! Boom!
Football.
those are like flowers.
Yeah!
Red, white, and blue.
That one, like, okay, that one is like.
Red, white, and blue.
No, that was not red, white, and
It's
blue.
like
that was
Barney.
purple.
DJ.
Barney.
Down fireworks.
Yeah, dude.
Alex.
My sunburn really hurts right now.
Write a breakdown with fireworks.
What?
You and your silly hardcore music. If you were real, you'd listen to metal, Jake.
I listen to metal.
Who doesn't listen to metal?
Yeah, who doesn't?
Come on, can we just narrow it down
You
to
know,
that?
under my type thing, it said that the Beastie Boys are metal.
Definitely not.
There's a lot of heavy stuff I have is rock though.
We listen to Jordan Bruce that pop. Come on, they're definitely a rock band.
Pop rock.
Okay, no.
Pop rock. I love them.
Quickly. Quickly.
Oh man, did you see that one? Did you see that one?
Remember last year I went for like 2 minutes?
Yep, I remember that.
Oh my word! Oh, I think that one's supposed to be a hard.
That's like when you're constipated and then it all comes out afterwards. That's like the end product.
Ooh, those came low.
Oh yeah, you better be able to.
Oh, those ones are cool.
No, don't worry about it.
I remember I used to think I would like catch up.
Holy crap.
Ooh, look, is that an airplane? Something there's an airplane.
Just a UFO. Ooh, I like that one.
Scream.
Hi, made your mom pretty.
That's what she sounded like too. I like those screamers.
I wonder if our parents are here.
Yeah, they are, Michael.
Was that just like a planet?
It looks like Saturn.
Peter Pan? That's what you call Pete.
No, that's what I put Matt.
Those are like fireflies.
No, Michael texted me. Lisa, your mom has to know where you are.
Those
You
are
guys are together.
We're separated.
I know, like,
I can't find Michelle.
that was a firework. I was like, oh my god.
Your parents looking for you?
No, Michael texted me. He's like, your parents want to know where you are if you're together. I was like,
Why didn't Michael come with us?
yeah, why did Michael
Michael's not nice.
Are you videotaping the whole thing and put on Facebook?
Dad, we're cutting wood.
Oh man. This is gonna, to all you viewers there on Facebook, this is intense. Look, I can't believe what we're seeing right here, right now. It's like a monster coming out of the sky, and there's fire, and it's like working. It's like fireworks. That's what they're called. Oh, did you hear that one? Oh my god. Yeah, I was like, oh.
One time, we saw
Yeah.
Thanks because our parents have us.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah.
Kids and everything.
Yeah.
He doesn't know what
Yeah.
he stole the whole bag of Cocoa Puffs, says he ate them. And then he's eating horrible. I was like, Michael, you said you ate them all. He's like, well, I'm staying with the mom. Oh, crap. So I took the ball. And I hid it in my room. He's like, you know what? You really want to know what? After he's like, so I started
Is he
laughing.
really?
I know, I could.
Michael's not nice.
Michael's socially retarded.
He's fake.
Oh man, that one was close.
It hit the ground.
That's what she said.
No, that's not what she said.
No, she definitely didn't say that.
I left it everything.
That'd be
Oh god, I
gross.
just.
Oh man. Those are like,
Oh
Did you
dang.
tell him where we are? We're all together.
yeah.
Like,
I said we were near the
lamppost.
I said we're near the baseball field. And oh man,
Yeah.
those people are using inappropriate language. Behind us. Do you
Yeah.
Oh, dare you say something?
Someone should call the cops on these guys. These are illegal here in Connecticut.
I would say something, wouldn't I? Wait, what did I say? Oh, those Mexicans. They were calling my.
Guys, this is going on Facebook. I hope there's no Mexicans looking at this.
Is it really going on Facebook? Oh,
Yeah. Yeah.
Michelle, everybody's gonna hear my voice. And maybe I'll get discovered.
Yeah.
Oh my lord. That was like a
Like
trick.
on Facebook, they like, you know.
Yeah, I like those ones the best.
I like keep jumping. What's wrong with you? Maybe I should.
All right, everyone needs to stop with the "that's what she said" jokes.
Oh, I love that's what she said. I love that. I became a fan of it on Facebook.
Finale.
I love them. Are you serious?
This is not the finale. Don't listen to DJ. That's stupid.
I want the finale. I became a fan of Earth from Above on Facebook.
I became a fan of Michael Jackson.
Jackson sucked.
I became a fan of
Yeah. This isn't the finale. There's one more.
Really needs here.
Just giving us a little taste.
And I like this.
Yeah, they're giving us the taste of the finale. This isn't the real finale. This is like the first bite of the cheesecake before we get to the rest of it. Before you get to all the strawberries and the chocolate and the caramel. That's just a taste.
Are you narrating the fireworks?
Yeah, that's what I do. You see that one? That one big. It was talking about.